Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn how to make a car in a craft. First, take any color paper of your choice. First fold to make a car is rectangle fold, children. After making rectangle fold, make it square. After making it square, open all your folds. You will get the marking, children. With the help of center line, you have to make half cupboard fold, children. See this way. After this, hold your paper this way. You can see the center point over here, children. See. With the help of center point and the corner point. With the help of center point and the corner point, you have to fold like this. See. Hold this point and then come here and fold this way, children. Same you have to fold this side also. With the help of center point. See, children. And then see the corner point. And then press this way. After this, you have to see these 2 points, children. See these 2 points. Now here you have to fold a small triangle. Now let us see how to fold it. See, children, you have to follow this line to make that triangle. So you can see this line and this point. Over here only you have to make a small triangle. See, this line should go straight. Same here. Again you have to follow this line and see where this line is coming and then fold this accordingly. See, children. Now you have to close this fold. Now see, children, over here you have to give marking. I am showing you the marking with the help of this point and this point. Just see over here one center point between these two and mark it. See how I have marked. And now what you are going to do is you are going to close this and see the marking where you can see the marking. See, and you have to open this again reverse side. This is known as zigzag fold, children. Once you're closing and again you're opening, okay, with the help of this point. So this is known as zigzag fold. See now how I am doing. See, children, I match this point and the line and I hold it over here and then I have pressed it, okay, this way. After you get this fold, you have to turn this back side. See, this way. See, children, you will get like this fold. If you're getting like this fold, that means your fold is right. Again, turn back. Now I'm going to make a triangle one side. See now how. Children, this point as a corner. Okay, match the line. See, children, match the line. This point as a corner and match the line and then press it. Okay, after pressing this corner you are going to make a small triangle. Okay, now see how, this way. Okay, children, see, press it nicely. Again, come back to this corner. Over here also you are going to make a small triangle, children. This corner. You can see this corner over here. See, a very small triangle. See. Okay, children. See. After finishing these folds, now turn your craft. See, children. Your car is ready. Now for detailing, I am going to use marker or sketch pen, children. Okay, you can even use sketch pen. I am going to use marker. You can use sketch pen. So see, I am doing the detailing work. I am giving the strokes. I am showing the tire. Okay, children, after making this, fill it with black color. See. My sketch pen is not working properly. Use good sketch pen, children. See, children. See, children. My car is ready. Thank you.